In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a quiz in Moodle. If you're cleaning up your course or removing an old assessment, deleting a quiz is quick and straightforward. You'll just need a role with editing permissions in the course, such as a teacher. Let's walk through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your Moodle course page. Make sure you're in the correct course where the quiz lives. It helps to glance at the course title and the section or week names so you're working in the right place, especially if you manage multiple courses. Next, turn editing on. Look toward the top right corner of your course page for the Turn Editing On button. When editing is on, you'll see additional controls appear next to activities and resources on the page. These controls are what you'll use to remove the quiz safely. Now, locate the quiz you want to delete. Quizzes usually sit inside a specific section or week, just like any other activity. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct quiz by checking the title. This is a good time to double-check, because deleting the wrong activity can cause unnecessary headaches. Once you've found the quiz, look for its action menu. This is typically the three dots icon, or sometimes a small gear, displayed to the right of the quiz name when editing is on. Click that action menu to open the list of options for this activity. From the menu, choose Delete or Delete Activity. This tells Moodle that you want to remove the quiz from the course. At this point, Moodle will not immediately delete it. Instead, you'll see a confirmation step. This is an important safeguard to prevent accidental removals. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Moodle will ask if you're sure, and once you agree, the quiz will be removed from your course page. Be aware that deleting a quiz removes the activity and its student attempts from the course. On some Moodle sites, a recycle bin may be available where deleted items can be restored for a limited time, but that depends on your site's settings. If you're at all unsure, pause at the confirmation screen and verify the quiz name one more time. That's it. After confirming, the quiz disappears from the section. Refresh the page if you don't see the change right away. You've now successfully deleted a quiz in Moodle, keeping your course tidy and up to date.